Hi, my name is Kim Kolish. I'm the manager of stormwater design at the Northeast Ohio Regional Sewer District. Today we're at the site of our Big Creek project. This project was basically completed to fix a large drop structure that was in Big Creek. This drop structure was constructed originally when they constructed I-71. Because that drop structure was failing, it was about a 30-foot high concrete drop structure. We came in here and filled the structure with large rocks. And by doing so, we stabilized the area to prevent any additional erosion and failure of that drop structure within Big Creek.
We're on a section of Big Creek in Parma Heights, and this is a section that was experiencing severe erosion of the banks and into a manhole. Raised the grade of the stream up, moved the manhole out of the way, and reconnected the bank, at least reconnected the stream to some of its floodplain where we could do that. We revegetated the slopes, planted trees, and overall just restored this section of stream and stabilized it.
Hello, my name is Donna Friedman. I'm the Watershed Team Leader for Northeast Ohio Regional Sewer District. And today we are at the Stickney Creek restoration site here in Brooklyn, Ohio. Originally, there was a very large intercommunity sewer that ran right next to our stream here. The sewer and the stream were right up against each other. Stream water would get into the sewer and sewer water would get into the stream, which was a very large water quality hazard. So the project that we did involved moving the sewer away from the stream. The stream was moved closer to the taller trees that you see in the background, and we did a floodplain expansion to reduce the amount of overland flooding of Ridge Road. The stream has a meandering pattern, which it did not have before. Meanders are the kind of the wiggle in the stream. It helps slow down the water, and so it reduces the velocity and it reduces the likelihood of erosion in the future when you have large storms that blow through. Yeah, it looks pretty good, for sure.
The Northeast Ohio Regional Sewer District offers eligible customers help when they need it most. Do you qualify for a cost-saving program? To learn more, call 216-881-8247.